Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable LastPass import to OnePassword, complete guide step by step clearly. To enable LastPass import to OnePassword, start by opening your LastPass account. Log into your LastPass vault using your credentials. Once you're in your vault, look for the Advanced Options menu. Select Export from the available options. You may be prompted to enter your LastPass master password again for security. After entering your password, LastPass will generate a CSV file containing all your stored passwords. Save this CSV file to a location on your computer where you can easily find it. The next step is to open your OnePassword application. If you don't have OnePassword installed, download it from the official website and complete the installation. Launch OnePassword and sign in to your account. Once you're in your OnePassword vault, navigate to the File menu at the top of the screen. Select Import from the drop-down menu. You will see a list of options for importing data. Choose LastPass from the import options. Next, locate the CSV file you exported from LastPass. Select the CSV file to initiate the import process. OnePassword will parse the CSV file and display the items it found for import. Review the information to ensure everything looks accurate. If everything checks out, proceed by clicking the Import button. Wait for the import process to complete, which may take a moment depending on the amount of data. Once the import is finished, you will see all your LastPass items in your OnePassword vault. It's a good practice to double-check the imported entries for any inconsistencies. After verifying, you can now delete the CSV file to keep your data secure. You have successfully enabled LastPass import to OnePassword. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.